Hey there, are you moving in today?
Oh, hi. Yeah, just got here this morning. Still unpacking.
Welcome. I'm Anna. I live on the second floor in 403.
Nice to meet you. I'm Paul. I just moved into apartment 410.
Cool. How's the move going so far?
Pretty good, but I didn't realize I had so much stuff.
Haha. Yeah, moving always makes you realize how much you own. Do you need any help?
Oh, thanks. I think I've got most of it done, but I appreciate it.
No problem. So, where are you moving from?
I used to live in USA. It's my first time in this area.
Oh, really? That's exciting. How are you finding it so far?
It seems nice. I haven't explored much yet.
Yeah, there are some great places around. There's an awesome coffee shop just a few blocks away.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I love coffee.
Me too. Maybe we can grab a cup sometime.
That would be great.
So, what made you choose this apartment?
Well, the location seemed good, and the apartment looked nice in the pictures.
Yeah, it's a pretty good building. The neighbors are friendly, and it's quiet most of the time.
That's good to know. I was worried about noise.
Nah, it's not too bad. Just sometimes on weekends, people might have small gatherings.
That's fair. Do you know if there are any good grocery stores nearby?
Yeah, there's a supermarket about 10 minutes away. They have everything you need.
That's good to know. I'll check it out soon.
Also, if you like parks, there's a really nice one nearby.
Oh, I love parks. I enjoy jogging in the mornings.
Perfect. That park is great for jogging. Maybe I'll join you sometime.
That would be fun.
So, besides jogging, what else do you like to do?
I love watching movies and reading. What about you?
Nice. I'm into cooking.
That's cool. Any favorite books or movies?
Oh, that's a tough one. I really like Gone Girl.
Oh, I love that one too.
No way. That's awesome. We should totally have a movie night sometime.
That sounds like a plan.
Well, I don't want to keep you from unpacking too long, but it was really nice meeting you.
Yeah, same here. Thanks for all the tips.
Anytime. If you need anything, just knock on my door or text me.
That's really nice of you. I'll do that.
Looking forward to hanging out sometime.
Me too. See you around.